Thank you for watching Website Design Video Tips from OurChurch.com. In this video, we'll discuss website development platforms. Which is best for you?
Hi, I'm Mark Steinberg with OurChurch.com, and on this video I'm going to talk about website platforms and address the question, what is the best platform and why does it matter? So the first thing that you need to do is determine what your needs are for your website. By doing that, it'll help you understand what you need out of a website platform. So if you say to yourself, I need to be able to have online event registration, or I need to be able to have a blog, or an e-newsletter, or a shopping cart, that will help you in your research of website platforms in determining whether or not those website platforms will be able to provide that functionality. Second thing to take in consideration is whether the software is online or it's a desktop software. Online software simply means that you don't store the software on your computer, but you log into a website using a username and password to be able to access the back end of your website and make changes. Desktop software, on the other hand, is stored on your computer. So that means that you have to have that software and that particular computer to be able to make updates. This also means that if you have a web team of multiple people, every single one of those individuals needs to have that software on the computer that they're going to be using. So it limits you in exactly where you can access it from. You probably can't do changes from a smartphone or a tablet, and it also makes it more difficult to add people to maintain the website. And then lastly, if you want to have additional work done by people that are not part of your organization, whether it be tech support or having someone do SEO for your website, going with a desktop platform makes it nearly impossible to do that. So you certainly want to select an online platform if all possible. Next thing to take a look at is whether or not the software is proprietary. Certainly you want to use an online software platform, and if at all possible, try to find one that's not proprietary. The proprietary simply means that the organization that hosts your website also owns that software, so you can't take the website with you when you want to leave. Now, if you're not planning on keeping your website for a long period of time, or if simply the cost of a particular hosting package and the software that comes with it is proprietary fits your budget, then maybe going with a proprietary software is something that's reasonable and will fit your needs. But if you can, try to find some kind of software that you can take, that means that you can take your website with you if you were to choose to leave and go to another host. The next thing to take in consideration is the ease of use. Research how easy a particular software platform is to use. Go online and see if there's any online reviews. Talk to other people that may have used this, and these conversations and advice can save you a lot of time in using a subpar platform. In the same sense, research the support of the platform. Can you even get support? And if so, do you have to pay for it? Is it free, or is it a pay per incident or pay per month, or what kind of fee structure is there? How quickly can you get responses when you're looking for support? And then also, how do they provide support? Is there phone support? Is it email support? Is it only through a help desk? But take a look at those things so you know what to expect if you select a particular website platform. So I hope that this has given you a good understanding of what things to take in consideration when selecting or researching a website platform. First, determine your needs for a website. Then look at the online software versus desktop software, and if all possible, select an online software. Also understand the drawbacks and limitations of proprietary software. Research the ease of use as well as the support that is provided for a particular software. And I hope this has been insightful and informative. If there's anything that we can do for you here at OurChurch.com to help you achieve your goals and mission online, please email us at support@OurChurch.com.